If you are the last surviving two, you win.
I have been playing all night and practicing on that the application.
We have never played with them, so थोड़ा सा डर भी है.
I know that you're gonna ace it. Just go out there and kill it.
शुरू में ये आपको पत्ते आते और यही गेम चलता तो आप शायद बेटर खेलते इन्हीं पत्तों के साथ.
It's going to be amazing.
Right. We'll see about that.
हार के जीतने वाले को बाजीगर कहते हैं.
Good player, poker player knows when to quit.
You don't have any contestants who are out there playing today.
कोई मरे कोई जीवे, सुतरा घोल पतासे पीवे. Hello and welcome to the Player Hunt on Poker High. It's been a great beginning and Lakshya and Surbi are already in the race. Today, we focus on the L in player and talk about some life hacks. अभी आपके टीम में से कौन-कौन आ रहा है आज?
All right. So, firstly, now I'm dying to hear what my dude devil Hemant has to say.
Hemant, hi.
Hi guys, these are my life hacks. First and foremost, I think in business, this is what I've learned. मेरा WhatsApp ना मुझे काफी परेशान करता था. मेरा social media मुझे काफी परेशान करता है. Past few years, I've learned to sort of mute everything. इससे ना जिंदगी में ना calmness और peace बरकरार रहती है. Most common and simple life hack is to just smile, keep smiling, whatever you're doing.
Nibby, who's next?
My life hacks are, firstly, if I'm in a bad mood, I take a deep breath. If that doesn't work, then I go listen to some psytrance music, techno, or I go out play with my pets or whatever, my street dogs. And I really wanted to play with pigs बचपन से, but आज तक मुझे कोई मिला नहीं है because सब भाग जाते हैं मुझसे and they are so scared. The second thing is I'm a person who's like really whenever I have to go somewhere I panic and then I mess up the place and I leave, and then जब मैं वापस आती हूँ तो everything is in a mess and I have to clean it up, and then what I do is time बचाने के लिए जो empty spaces दिखती है मैं उसमें भर देती हूँ सब चीजें, and yeah, it is disgusting, but yeah, that's what I do sometimes. That's a life hack for me to save time.
All right. Harman, आपके teams में से कौन-कौन आ रहा है आज?
Hi, Vakar.
And these are my life hacks. Basically, I start my day with a to-do list, which is very important. बहुत ज़्यादा important क्योंकि मुझे पता नहीं होता आधे टाइम मैं कर क्या रहा हूँ. The second, don't compare yourself with others. Everyone has their own jail time. Basically, I'm not saying like jail time वैसा वाला. Like सबको एक कड़ी मेहनत करनी पड़ती है. I don't know, मैं कभी करता नहीं हूँ. Third is बहुत सारे लोग जो होते हैं वो लगे पड़े रहते हैं. एक तरफा प्यार किससे होता है ना. And a good player, poker player knows when to quit.
Pretty cool, man.
My life hacks. First, I get up in the morning and me and my mom shout out Ganpati Bappa Moria and then put on a little music, take a cup of tea and dance to it. Second, if you feel low in life and you feel life is ending, don't worry. Think of the people who love you and stand by you. Then you will feel life is beautiful again.
That was amazing. अब देखना ये है कि can we use these life hacks in the game of poker? I have full confidence in the girls. और एक interesting बात बताऊं, up till the 70s and 80s, poker was still a male-dominated sport. But now, thankfully, there are a lot of women who are doing really well in the sport. And in fact, Muskan Sethi from Delhi is one of the first women to win a president's medal in poker. Isn't that amazing? Chalo, now I'm going to go and give a boost to my two contestants. Hi, Vakar. Guys, I'm very excited for today and I want to know what is your strategy today?
Strategy तो ये है कि पहले first round में तो देखेंगे गेम प्ले कैसा है बाकी प्लेयर्स का, क्योंकि we have never played with them, so थोड़ा सा डर भी है. फिर ये भी पता करना है कि कौन न्यूबी है और कौन बहुत टाइम से खेल रहा है. So वो एक strategy है starting में.
What I like about you is that you do have the ability to not let the emotions you kind of take the better of you. But since we're going to be playing on Poker High, you won't be able to see other people's faces.
Sure.
In that case, I want to know how are you going to do what you do?
उस टाइम पे मैं देखूंगी जब मैं रेस कर रहा हूँ या फिर अगर मैं चेक कर रहा हूँ तो उनका रिएक्शन कैसा है कि वो आधे लेटिंग मी चेक और आधे ट्राई टू बोलते ना एक के ऊपर एक करना, जैसे रेस करना चाह रहे हैं हम लोग. So I will just try to check एक दो राउंड में, क्योंकि स्टार्टिंग का राउंड मुझे पता करना पड़ेगा वो खेलते कैसे. तो उनके जब कार्ड्स दिखेंगे, क्योंकि मुझे एंड तक रुकना है, मुझे कार्ड्स देखने होंगे.
That's a good strategy, brother. But याद रखना, confidence सही है, पर confident नहीं होना है.
नहीं, ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट.
All the best, Waqar and Manisha. What is your strategy for the day?
Oh, Waqar is right there. I can't tell in front of him.
Now you can go ahead. Go for it.
Some way of form, there is some semblance of a togetherness. So बता सकते हो, Manisha.
First of all, enjoy the game and play it easy for the start. That's for now.
Taking it easy, but I'm hoping that you don't take it too easy, Manisha.
Not
Alright?
at all. Not at all.
आप दोनों को देख के confidence तो आ रहा है. So I want to wish you all the best. Go out there and grab the number 1 and number 2 slots. Okay. In that sense, you guys are partners.
Thank you so much.
Hello.
Hi, Ravi.
Hi Hemant. Hi Avni. अरे वाह, आज तो दोनों दिल्ली वाले contestants हैं.
I'm
Yes.
a big fan, Nivedita. A big fan.
Big fan. Oh my. Me too. And I want to be saying this today after the game. Let's do this. So I guess with you, Hemant, I don't really have a lot to say to you. You told me that you've been, playing for ages. So I know that you're going to ace it. Just go out there and kill it. And I think the same goes for you, Avni. Like, it's a big, I guess, relief for me that you're not a newbie to the game. My only advice to you would be, don't be impulsive. Really take your time and then make your move. But otherwise, all the very best.
Thank you so much.
Trust me, this time I have pros on my team. The comp is going to be amazing.
Right. We'll see about that.
Guys, I've seen contestants compete all the time, but यहाँ तो in poker, maintaining your cool is critical.
बिल्कुल सही कह रहे हो, but it's easier for you to say this, na? You don't have any contestants who are out there playing today.
Point to hai, brother. But now, guys, take a deep breath and let's see what girl power, do devils, rule breakers, and big dreamers do. May the best woman or man win.
Waqar has 10 of spades, 3 of diamonds, with the dominating chip stack. It's an offsuit, which means the cards are of different suits. Avni has an ace of diamonds and 3 of clubs. Hemant has 4 of diamonds and 7 of hearts. Manisha has an 8 of spades and 9 of diamonds. Every player with average offsuit cards. Usually in such situations, the most aggressive player dominates the hand. Manisha's problems are compounded with her dwindling chip stack. She's down to just above a big blind essentially. Waqar and Hemant show discipline, laying down their hands. Avni ke paas hai ek relatively strong holding, ace high, and she has put Manisha all in. Manisha quickly calls with her 8 and 9. Here comes the flop, jack of clubs, king of diamonds, 10 of clubs, and the turn, ace of clubs. Avni now has an ace pair or the top pair. Here comes the river, 8 of hearts. Manisha hits a pair, but that won't be enough. Manisha is eliminated, and Avni rakes in that 800 chip pot. Blinds have increased now to 500/1000. Hemant on life support with 1.1 big blind left only. Hemant has a 6 of clubs and a 10 of hearts. Avni has a queen of spades and 5 of diamonds. Waqar has a jack of spades and 7 of diamonds. Again, everyone with below average hole cards. Hemant is all in with his 6 and 10 while Avni calls with queen and 5. Here comes the flop. 6 of diamonds, 10 of clubs, jack of diamonds. Hemant hits a miracle with 2 pairs. Lucky break there for Hemant. Turn, 4 of spades. River, 10 of spades. Hemant gets some chips and action still continues. Freeway. Waqar has an ace and 7 of hearts. These are the same suit, hence the name, suited cards. Hemant has a king of diamonds and 10 of spades. Avni has a queen and 10 of clubs, again suited. Hemant lets his king and 10 go. He probably needs a minute or 2 to catch his breath after that lucky break. Avni has a queen and 10 suited. Decent holdings with her chip stack. She should move in, and that's what she does. She is all in. Waqar calls. Pre-standard with ace and 7 suited from the big blind against the shortest stacked, Avni. Waqar is ahead, but Avni has 2 live cards, which can hit a pair and win. Here comes the flop. 9 of diamond, 7 of diamond, 4 of hearts. Waqar hits his pair. He is now pushing Avni closer to the fence. Turn, 2 of hearts. River, 2 of diamonds. And ace and 7 is an easy call for Waqar from the big blind in that bet size. And Avni is out.
Harman, finally you got a win under your belt. How does it feel?
Feels pretty good, man. And also, getting a win is one thing, but the manner in which Waqar controlled the flow of the game was very professional, I would say that. In fact, I saw each and every game. Not for one moment did I think that he didn't know exactly what he was doing. He seemed really in control. He seemed like he knows how to 2-bet, 3-bet. He understands the importance of going big when it's required. He understands being quiet and folding and taking a step back at the right moment. And he's played his cards really well. Especially that one game, when slowly he actually had an ace pair. Great game.
Also the trips, I think that game Avni just gave him a lot of chips there. Nibby, still a good day for you. Not 2 out of 2, but you still got Hemant in there. Almost वो finish line के इस side पहुंच ही गया किसी तरह.
Yes, tumbled कुछ भी करके. I think he did a good job. He made it. That's what matters. And there's a lot more to unfold. And I think Waqar did a good job, so I'll give you that one, Harman. He played well.
There's a lot more to unfold, and there's a lot to fold in poker also. All right, best of luck to you guys. I hope you can now go and tell your teammates some other secrets of the sport. I think we should call the players back, and you guys need to give them your feedback. Trust me, everyone who's watching at home, this is going to be great advice as you embark on your poker journey. Waqar, well done, buddy.
Thanks so much. Thank you.
You played pretty systematically and on the ball, man. It was good.
बहुत ही सही था Waqar. Very consistent gameplay. Overconfident नहीं होना. I thought you were fantastic today from the beginning to the end. Did not feel like there was any impulsive decisions while you were playing completely in control. And I think it's just stay in this form. It's good form that you started with.
Yes.
Hemant, there was a time when you raised pre-flop, and it was very impressive that after the flop opened, you saw that because the flop was pretty small, and you saw that you haven't hit anything. And in the beginning, I saw that you folded after a really big pre-flop raise, and that's signs of a mature play. But you contradicted it by going all in with the 6 and 10, which actually worked in your favor. I think there are you've got it, but you've also got this gut feeling which worked for you, but sometimes it doesn't. But for today, it worked. So well done. But you just made the cut, man.
Thank you.
No, I'm glad, Hemant. Congratulations. You did a very good job. I guess things were a little bit shaky, in between, but everything went well and it went in your favor. So, congratulations for that.
Avni, you stuck it out for a long time. Worse cards, you did better. And when you had really good cards, which is the 10 and the queen of the clubs, you felt really confident because you weren't getting great cards. So when you got half decent cards, you went all in. Whereas if you were patient, Hemant would have just drained himself out and you would have been number 2.
Yeah.
Right? Don't you think so?
It was too much of pressure and everything was too,
No, but Avni, you were doing a good job. I wish that you stuck around a little longer.
Yeah.
Go,
I'll keep that in mind, yeah.
Waqar jeeta convincingly,
Yeah.
right?
You won.
Between Avni and Hemant, I think you lost this one. I mean, if you just stuck around and just waited, kahin na kahin, because Hemant just folded that hand. He was lucky he folded that hand and you went all in and you went up.
Impulsive, yeah. It got
Yeah,
impulsive.
so just be careful because you did control it for a long time. So what I want to say is that you have to include meditating for a long time in your daily routine. Because I see that for 30-40 minutes, your concentration was good. And as soon as थोड़ा सा देर हो गई ना, your concentration lapse happened.
Yeah.
और अगर शुरू में ये आपको पत्ते आते और यही गेम चलता तो आप शायद better खेलते. Manisha, what was your strategy today?
Well, Ranvijay, I was playing like an underdog today because when I heard everybody, they were like, we'll see how the other players are playing and everyone. So like, let them believe that I'm the underdog or let them believe that I am a new player on the block and और वो तो सुना ही होगा कि हार के जीतने वाले को
बाजीगर कहते हैं.
Manisha, it's a tough day for you, but don't worry so much. I think just to have a little more assertive behavior in your gameplay. And I understand you want to start slow. There's no hesitation. That poker is a very long journey. It takes a long time to get into it, to learn the nuances. And जब तक आपका ठहराव है, आप अच्छा खेलने वाले हो. We have a lot of hope for you.
Thank you so much.
Best of luck, guys. Well done. Okay, guys. So now Hemant and Waqar are in the game, but Avni and Manisha are benched for now. You have begun voting, and believe me, बहुत मजा आ रहा है. पोकर हाई पे वोट्स आ रहे हैं. कोई अपने स्टेट के कंटेस्टेंट के लिए वोट कर रहा है, तो कोई अपनी कम्युनिटी के लिए. And I'm enjoying the tension as an unbiased observer. As we say in Punjabi, कोई मरे कोई जीवे, सुतरा खोल पतासे पीवे. And for all those who think poker is fun, I must try it. Please do. This game is truly a life changer. Let me tell you about the longest running poker game in history. Back in 1881, it was played at the Birdcage Theater in Tombstone, Arizona. And this game was played continuously for 24/7 for 8 years, 5 months, and 3 days. And as much as $10 million changed hands during the marathon game. And it finally stopped because of rain water, जो theater के अंदर flood करने लग पड़ा. Not because somebody folded. So, guys, you please don't lose track like this. Till next time, stay at home, stay safe, and keep your wits around you. Play responsibly.
अजमा जीतनम.
सारे नक्षत्र ग्रह सब मेरे फेवर में है. आज तो मुझे पूरा कॉन्फिडेंस है कि मेरी टीम ही जीतने वाली है.
Let's see how much your nakshatras and grace favor you.
तुम दोनों को देखकर it feels like your kids are out there.
पता नहीं क्या हुआ, the jut attitude got the better of me और क्या, but I just went in.
I'm a Sindhi, so it's in my blood, and I play stock market too.
People have a lot of money, so they start bullying you.
लोगों को लगता है कि when you come from a very affluent family and if you have the money, then only you can play poker. ऐसा नहीं होता है. Just like any other sport, if you have the fire, if you have the skill, doesn't matter कि आपका background क्या है. You just have to have the passion for the sport.